Chelsea should do whatever they can do to bring Mohammed Kudus to Chelsea. I'm telling you, the guy is super good. Imagine Kudus behind Liam Delap. Delap is scoring 30 plus goals. Kudus will be giving Liam Delap assist upon assist upon assist upon assist. Imagine having Kudus behind Nicola Jackson. Nicola Jackson is scoring goals all day. 30 plus goals for us. So guys, see, we need Mohammed Kudus. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Richman. In fact, guys, Chelsea is pushing and pushing harder and harder like a pregnant woman to sign these two attackers. Joao Pedro from Brighton, our second team in England, and Mohammed Kudus. Yes, the Ghanaian international, the dribbler, the talented, yes, the man himself, Mohammed Kudus. So guys, first, let's look at Joao Pedro latest, because information said that Chelsea submitted a certain fee, but they rejected it. And not only Chelsea, a Premier League team interested to sign Joao Pedro. A certain team in the Premier League also interested to sign Joao Pedro. So let's read the latest information, guys. Newcastle and Chelsea both in talks for Joao Pedro. As revealed yesterday with Alex Crook, Brighton have rejected multiple buys in excess of 50 million. Newcastle have been trying to agree a fee since early June. Chelsea opened talks in mid-June and view Pedro as strong profile to replace Christopher Nkunku, with a realistic chance he depart. LFC, the other Premier League club to have considered Pedro, but Newcastle and Chelsea, the ones advancing currently. That is Liverpool also considering Joao Pedro. But currently, Chelsea and Newcastle advance. Yes. So guys, this is the first striker Chelsea interested to sign to add to Pedro Neto, Madueke, the almighty Madueke, and Traoré. And guys, initial information came that they rejected Chelsea 50 million. Chelsea went for 50 million. Brighton rejected that, and that Newcastle also interested to sign this player. But before we do the analysis, guys, I want to ask you this question. Do you think he can come and do the work? Joao Pedro, do you think he is that good? Because as we read that, he is coming to replace Christopher Nkunku. They even consider him as a striker more than a winger. Yes, but at Brighton currently, he is playing as a winger. So Chelsea said they are bringing him to help or to replace Christopher Nkunku and help Delap and help Nicola Jackson. So Joao Pedro, well, for me, I watch his videos, guys. I won't lie. Yes, I did some research about him. He is good. Joao Pedro is not a bad player. Yes, so if Chelsea sign him, I will not complain too much. I will not complain. And luckily, he is Premier League proven player. He had the Premier League experience from our second team, Brighton. I think it is only Sanchez who signed from Brighton, and it looked like a scam. So far, all the players who signed from Brighton, it works, except Sanchez. We signed Cucurella, we signed Caicedo, and who? Oh, it's just two players who signed. No, I don't think we signed two players from Brighton. We signed so many players. But as I said, Sanchez own was a scam, big scam, of course, yes. So guys, Joao Pedro coming to Chelsea. As I said, if Chelsea bring him, I will not complain. Even currently, when we look at our wings, our flanks, we need more squad depth there. We need players there. Currently, 3 players, Neto and Madueke and George. Yes, and they aren't enough. We have to add more. Next season, more competitive competition are coming. Yes, Champions League, FA Cup, Carabao Cup, Premier League. And in all this competition, we must compete. See, next season, I want Chelsea to give me at least one domestic trophy. At least FA Cup or Carabao Cup, because as we won this Conference League to completed the set, now our players develop. Yes, they will start developing, like the winning experience will now be in them. Plus Enzo Maresca, see, look at managers who won trophies and managers who never win trophies. Compare them, you can see difference. So the same as the players, when a player win 2 or 3 trophies, yes, it brought into him, he get the experience, he developed as a player. So next season, I want Chelsea to win whether Carabao Cup or FA Cup, or even chase for the Premier League title and for the Champions League. We shall see, because it will not be easy. I won't lie, the Champions League, it will not be easy. And all this can happen if we don't have the squad depth, because suspensions are there, injuries are there, so many things are there in football. So if you want to compete as a big team, make sure that if one of your first 11 player is out, you can replace him with almost the same player. So Chelsea bringing Joao Pedro, I will not have a lot of problem with that. For me, guys, I will not have a lot of problem with that. I will take him. But here's another fear about Joao Pedro transfer. Newcastle also interested. So we don't know. At the end of the day, he will choose Newcastle over Chelsea, or he will choose Chelsea over Newcastle. That is the issue. Because as we are speaking now, Newcastle, they qualify for Champions League. We are also playing Champions League. So even when you look at what Newcastle can give or what Chelsea can give him, we can also give him. And the wages aspect, I will not even talk. So let's see at the end of the day, because that is my fear. At the end of the day, him choosing Newcastle over Chelsea. By the way, guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. Your opinion, your thought about Chelsea signing Joao Pedro. Yes, do you think he can come and do it? And let's come to Mohammed Kudus latest. Yes, the Ghanaian international, the dribbler, the talented, the all-round attacker. The all-round attacker. Let's come and look at the all-round Mohammed Kudus. This is it for Mohammed Kudus. As well, a Joao Pedro offer being rejected. Chelsea also made a proposal to sign Mohammed Kudus this week. Chelsea trying to offer player have so for put 50 million down to be continued. Chelsea want Pedro for the striking position as well as covering other positions, and Kudus for attacking midfield. So guys, that is the information for Kudus. Yes, Chelsea want to sign Joao Pedro to cover the striking position and sign Kudus for the attacking area to come and help Cole Palmer in the attacking area, guys. And in fact, Chelsea signing Mohammed Kudus, I will not even think twice about it. No. Why should I think? Even last night, I dreamt Chelsea completed the signing of Mohammed Kudus. Yes. So let's pray that my dream really come true. Because see, Kudus coming to Chelsea, it will be lovely, guys. Our attack will become more stronger. See, the guy is super talented. Kudus. See, not because I'm a Ghanaian. We saw him at Ajax. We saw him at West Ham last season. Kudus' decision on the ball. See, Kudus' finishing, his dribbling on the ball, taking on his markers, creating spaces. And Kudus is a big team player. Kudus is Champions League player. He had experience in all aspects of the game. Yes. Maybe the season he was coming from Ajax, that season will not say that Kudus didn't have the Premier League experience. But now he had the Premier League experience. 2 seasons. And for Champions League, he started it at Ajax. Yes, he went there. He showcased his talent. Last season, we saw him during the last day against City. If you can remember well, he scored some 2 fantastic goals. Yes, against City. If not because City is like Chelsea or City copy from Chelsea, winning when it matters. Last season, Kudus could have stopped City from winning the Premier League. But because they are lucky, they are learning from Chelsea. Pep is learning from Chelsea. Pep is learning from Enzo Maresca. So guys, Kudus coming to Chelsea. To be honest, to be serious here. See, we need him. We need Kudus today. We need Kudus tomorrow. And we need Mohammed Kudus tomorrow next. I want Cole Palmer to be resting next season. Because, see, a lot of big games will come. Competitive game. So having a player like Cole Palmer, I don't want to see Cole Palmer playing the first round of the Carabao Cup or the first round of the FA Cup. And if we don't have anybody who will be a super sub or who can replace him, he must play. Yes, because currently if we want to win or if Chelsea is going to win a football game, Cole Palmer must contribute. If Cole Palmer will not score, he will assist or he will be in that goal contribution. So next season, we want to play Champions League and do well there. We must get someone like who will be taking over from Cole Palmer. Some days Cole Palmer is tired. So we need Kudus. And luckily, Kudus is a versatile player. Kudus can play as left wing, right wing, attacking midfield, and false nine or a striker. I'm telling you, Chelsea should do whatever they can do to bring Mohammed Kudus to Chelsea. I'm telling you, the guy is super good. Imagine Kudus behind Liam Delap. Delap is scoring 30 plus goals. Kudus will be giving Liam Delap assist upon assist upon assist upon assist. Imagine having Kudus behind Nicola Jackson. Nicola Jackson is scoring goals all day. 30 plus goals for us. So guys, see, we need Mohammed Kudus. And Chelsea said, or information said, Chelsea want to do it a swapping deal, or West Ham is asking for a cash. Whatever Chelsea will do, Chelsea should do it and bring the guy. Yes, whether it will be the swapping deal, it will be the fee, we need Kudus. Chelsea must sign Kudus, guys. I'm telling you. So let's hope we may have a fantastic summer. I'm telling you, because at the end of the day, if we sign Kudus, for Jamie Gittins transfer, almost done and dusted. Now Joao Pedro, information just came that he rejected Newcastle as we are shooting this video. Yes, I just got the notification that I don't know whether it is true or not. By the way, information just came that he rejected Newcastle. So imagine signing Kudus, Jamie Gittins, and Joao Pedro. What a wow. And maybe going into the market to bring Victor Osimhen to conclude. See, if Chelsea sign Victor Osimhen, sign Kudus, sign Jamie Gittins, and sign all these possible, maybe bring Rodrigo at the end. See, next season Champions League, they should not come out with any group for it again or for preparation to play it again. If Chelsea sign Osimhen, sign Kudus, sign Jamie Gittins, sign Joao Pedro, they should just keep next season Champions League and give it to Chelsea. We win it already. For the Premier League, I will not even talk. Yes, the Premier League is already in Chelsea trophy room. I want to talk of for the Carabao. No, FA Cup will give to Arsenal because that is their Champions League. Yes, Arsenal. When they see FA Cup, it look like Champions League to them or European competition to them. So the FA Cup I will give to Arsenal and the Carabao Cup I will give to Manchester United. Yes, when they won a Carabao Cup under Ten Hag, they were jubilating as if they won a European trophy like Conference League trophy. And among all the European trophies, it is the Conference League trophy that is beautiful. See, when I look at Champions League, I look at Europa League trophy and look at the Conference League trophy. Like, it is just unique. The Conference League trophy is so beautiful. What a wow, what a wow. Yeah, so guys, that is the latest information from Mohammed Kudus. And maybe if Chelsea sign all these wingers, as I said, Kudus, Jamie Gittins, and Joao Pedro, George future is in doubt. Yes, he may go out on loan. Yes, because Estavo will be joining. And next season, Wanda, he's a winger. He will also join. So George future in Chelsea is shaking if Chelsea get this deal done. So let's hope at the end of the day we get all our target transfers. So guys, that is the latest for Joao Pedro and Kudus coming to Chelsea.